So we have previously discussed about that how to purchase a domain. Now I am discussing about that how to create a cPanel in particular website. What is a cPanel? cPanel nothing but if you purchase domain, how to website going to live, that is called cPanel. So now I can open this website, newgreenvalleyhospital.com. Now is that we have purchased domain, but the website is not live. Reason is the website did not have a cPanel, is not going to live. So they are showing for site not found. Now how to get a cPanel in a particular website? Please write down syntax call mydomain.com/whm web hosting manager. You can log in with your username and password. We can log in here like this. Here our number of sites here. We can check our site will be there. No, just go to WHM. The option call is account function. Here the option call is create a new account. Now select your my domain and domain extension. Now take for domain name without HTTP and HTTP. Now check your username. So add your password and username here. So first of all I give the my domain name mydomain.com. See here we don't have the HTTP and HTTPS. Next I am adding with username new greenway. I am adding with the password will be not showing for the users. Second will be retype password. I am adding with your my email address. If you forget any details we can check by our official email address. Just go this one. I can select my package. If you go select by the manual packages, that is called bandwidth, RAM, bandwidth is called RAM and disk space, your storage space here. Now click, see this. We can check the one by one option here. One is the disk space, bandwidth, maximum FTP account. FTP nothing but file transfer protocol. Now will be maximum email accounts, maximum mailing list, maximum SQL database, maximum will be subdomains. So suppose if we are looking for the disk space, will be going to the some GB. So or else I am going to the unlimited. Suppose you can select by manual, you can go to the manual version, but I am not select them any manual. Just click, just go here, adding name servers, just scroll down. Here you can take the automatic detect for your configuration. Now click for create. Now I am logging with your cPanel here. So your cPanel was created here. After creating your cPanel, how to your login your cPanel, I will tell you the next done. See here you click for save your cPanel password. See this. Now see here this all will be there. Now just go to here. Now just go to the your mydomain.com/. Please write down the syntax. This will be syntax here. mydomain.com/cPanel. Enter your username and password. Just here. So you can copy only for username. Now enter here. See this. This is my website Green Valley. Now just here enter login and password. See here. This is called cPanel. You can give for the file manager, images. If you store any space, that is called file manager here. After that, if you create any email accounts, that is called email accounts here. This is called we can add your cPanel in your particular website after purchase your domain. This is called how to create a cPanel using with the web hosting manager. Thank you guys.